What are the basic requirements of a machine element? The main objective of designing a machine element is to ensure that it operates giving the optimum service with minimum cost. In order to achieve this objective, the machine element should satisfy the following basic requirements. These requirements are the strength, rigidity, wear resistance, optimum dimensions and weight, ease of manufacturing, safe operation, conformance to Indian and international standards, reliability, ease of maintenance, and minimum operating and maintenance cost. Requirements serve as the basis for designing a machine that gives optimum service with minimum cost. Now let us discuss each of these requirements in brief. A machine element should have sufficient strength to bear the loads acting on it so that it does not get damaged during its lifetime. A machine element should be rigid. It should not deflect or bend due to the forces acting on it. A machine element should have strong wear resistance property to bear corrosion, abrasion, pitting, etc. A machine element should be designed with optimum weight and dimension so that it operates giving the best service with minimum cost during its lifetime. A machine element should be selected in such a way that it can be produced with minimum labor cost. A machine element should be designed keeping in mind the safety of the operator of the machine. A machine element should conform to the national and international standards to make the designing easier and the availability of various parts faster and easier. A machine part should be reliable. This means that the machine element should perform its function satisfactorily over its lifetime. A machine element should be simple enough so that it can be repaired or maintained with ease. And the operating cost and the maintenance cost should be minimum. The related term is the design of machine elements. Question. Remember keywords. Related term is remember diagram, remember definition,